to another video. We're waiting on somebody to come through. They said they're interested. $1,700 is what I told them that I would take for it. $1,700, that's the lowest that, you know, that I feel right to sell the bike for. All the work that I put into it, and just everything that I put into it. But I got it up for $2,000, and I got a few people that's coming this weekend. They might talk me down $100. You know how business works when you go and, you know, buy and sell stuff. But it should be here any minute. Super cold. I sold the bike. He just came and got it for $1,700. The bike is gone. The YZ, the last couple clips, he test rode it, and he said he was looking at a few more other bikes. One of the bikes that he mentioned, RMZ 250 Suzuki, and he said he's going to look at one of those tomorrow. But he's pretty sure he's going to stick with the 2-strokes and get him another 2-stroke. He said he had like a KX 250 before, and he really likes the 2-strokes. He said, yeah, when that power band kicks in, you're having a fun time. That's what he said. It's late, 10 o'clock or so, and get ready for bed. Get ready to get up in the morning. Going to get up early in the morning so I can, you know, finish off this video. Get up, throw on the GoPro, and finish the video off with riding. So yeah, guys, if you enjoyed this part of the video, you'll see me in 1 second. Neighbors, if you're watching this, which I probably, well, you ain't watching this, but if you ever do come across this video, which you probably won't ever come across this video, but if you know, do, I'm sorry to wake you up. I know it's super late, but there's nothing I can do. I gotta put this bike up there, and I gotta start it up and ride it up there. So forgive me. I'm sorry. I ain't doing this on purpose. I'm doing it for my bike's own good. Gas, gotta turn the gas on.
Tomorrow.
Next day, guys, and I just want to talk to you guys about something real quick. It's pretty insane. I posted my dirt bike Craigslist and a few other places. Don't go try to look. I know how you guys are. Every time I post something onto Craigslist, I get scammers always trying to, you know, scam me, saying they'll pay me through PayPal. They send me a check through the mail by sending me the money through the internet. They always say, oh, mover come through and pick up the bike, and then next thing I know, the money's not in my account and my dirt bike is gone forever. Beware, guys. Be sure when you sell your dirt bike to be extra careful. Don't fall for the scams. Don't fall for I'll send the money through PayPal, because you might think PayPal's safe and you can get your money back, but they really know what they're doing, and they really will scam you, and your bike will be gone.
My phone number is 888-941-6515. We've got some clients who are shopping for vehicles, and I'm going through a list of vehicles like yours. I'd like to find out more about it and tell you a little bit more about what we can do to help you get it sold. There's a small fee for the service. It's well worth it. I'll tell you about it when you call, and we do guarantee the results. So call me back. I'd love to talk to you before the end of the day. The number is...
Also, update on the YZ. I didn't sell it last night. It hasn't hit me up today, and it's, you know, about the time that he hit me up and came through yesterday. Lots of other people that's planning on coming to look at the bike, so he ain't the only one. And I got it up for sale. And if you guys, like I said, if you guys wanna buy my bike, $1,700 is the lowest I'll go. All you gotta do is, you know, go on my Instagram and just DM me there saying I'm interested in your bike. Only real interested. Don't go putting I'm interested. Just you know, message me just to get me to reply back, because I don't know if you really want it or not. So only serious inquiries. Wrong bike. Much better. It's gonna be me practicing the wheelies. So I saw a lot of comments about do wheelies, practice wheelies. So enjoy the wheelies. Bike's running pretty good today. She's on the phone. I see her. She's probably calling the law. Yes, yes, yes. The cops will never find me. Gas, gotta turn the gas off. This is the end of the video, guys, so if you enjoyed it, be sure to hit that subscribe button, hit that like button, share with your friends, tell them about the channel, tell them about all these Craigslist scammers trying to scam people for their bikes. Let them know, don't fall for all the scams, and I'll send your money through PayPal. Tell them don't fall for that crap, it's a scam, and it'll get your bike stolen, taken away. So yeah, guys, I'll catch you in the next video. Peace out.